Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoDaddy website builder, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add or edit text in your GoDaddy website builder? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to add or edit text in your GoDaddy website builder anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that content on your website is constantly changing, or maybe it's no longer relevant, so you need to add it or edit it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoDaddy website builder. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoDaddy website builder, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to add or edit text, first you're going to go ahead and scroll down to the section. So for example, right here, we have some text. All you're going to do is just click into the box, and then you can see the cursor right there, and you can go ahead and delete the words, or you can go ahead and just start typing in the words. And then once you're done making your changes, click on publish here on the top left. Now, if you want to add another text box, so maybe you have something else you're going to market. So right down here, so we have a title line. Once you hover over the section, you're going to see these plus icons. You're going to click add section. Once you do that, you'll see this menu pop up here on the right, and you want to click on general. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and look for content. Once you click on content, you're going to see all these different content styles. So just kind of scroll through and then see which one applies to what type of text you're trying to add. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and just add in this general text, and you're going to click add again or add. Okay, so now you can see the text pops up right here. So now we can go ahead and delete all of this pre-populated text. And here is a new text box. Okay, and let's see, I don't really need that button there, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that button. Okay, so now we just have a text box. Okay, so once you're done editing or adding in your text into your GoDaddy website builder, be sure to click on publish here on the top left and save and publish. And now it's publishing. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add or edit text in your GoDaddy website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.